This is called the Zippermast, and this one is about 12 feet tall. But what you're going to see is how the Zippermast works and how it basically, you'll see where it becomes a zipper and why it's called the Zippermast. All it takes is a 12-volt battery. I'm going to plug one of these in right here and make it so the light comes on. So the light comes on, you've got power to the device, and it's ready to go. Now, what we've got on the top of this is a camera system with a motion sensing light on it. It's an LPR, license plate reading camera system that's set up for gates that are outside somewhere, outside on the property. It's got solar powered so that it just can make that charge up and turn the cameras on, and it's ready to go. In order to take it up, it's not difficult at all. You've got an up and a down switch right here. You press the up and the product goes up. Now what you're seeing right now is this edge right here is like a zipper, like on a regular pair of pants. You got a zipper on there and it goes up, and the zipper on the corner and the zipper over here. What's happening with these three bands, this band coming down here like this, is it's coming down and it's rolling up inside in this corner. On this side, it's rolling up in this corner, and then it's rolling up in this corner back here. So you've got three different bands that are coming together into a zipper locking mechanism that allows you to take it all the way up. This will go up to 12 feet, but we're only going to take it up to about 6 right here. Now, there's a couple of little problems with this one. It's got a drifting capability, so it drifts down just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pin and stick it in between these holes here on the side and out the other side, so that as soon as it gets down to there, it's going to stop. It won't drift anymore. But what we have to do is make sure that when we start it back up again, we don't take it down first. We have to take it up first in order to take the pin out. And in just a second, the pin will be ready, and then I'll demonstrate that, how you take the pin out. You can't just pull it. You can't just pull it out when it puts the pressure on it, because there's a little bit too much pressure on it. And make it easy. You just hit the up switch. We take the pin out. Hit the down switch. Don't forget to do that. Now, should you forget to do that, it will blow the fuse immediately. Immediately, if you leave the pin in and go down, and it stops the piece from going down, it'll blow the fuse. What happens if you blow the fuse? You disconnect. Everything gets disconnected first so that you don't have power going into it. Now, I'm going to take the fuse out. I'm just going to come over here and using a Phillips head screwdriver, I just take the fuse out right here. Just bring it out. And the fuse is right there. So, assuming that the wire is broken inside there, we have 3 other fuses here that can replace that one. So you replace it with one of those and then put it back in. And you don't have to screw it tight. It's only a fuse connection, and the fuse connection is very simple and it's complete. So now it's ready to go, and let's test it one time to make sure that we did it properly. Put it up, it's ready to go. Beautiful. Now you bring it down. There's a couple other switches on this that we'll go through just real quickly. This is a remote or a local, and if you bring it up to the remote, then this one is not set up to use it right now, but generally they'd be set up to have Wi-Fi connected to that, or a cellular hotspot connected to it so that it can be talked to from a remote location, and you can call it and tell it to go up or down. And we like to keep it down in the local so that it operates from here. When you come down, bring it down to about 1 inch away from the bottom, and that will make it so that it will come down slowly and settle in place correctly. We don't have, I think what we've got to do, which I'm sorry we haven't done yet, is we have to put a line across here to the limit. So there's a limit to where it goes up and down. But right now, we're not going to take it up much higher. You take it up to where you need it for the show, but that's basically it. And this comes down. Like I said, this is called a zipper mast. We have zipper masts that are much bigger than that, they have a mast on them that size, and they go up 30 feet, and they will carry up 150 pounds. So there's a lot of different sizes of these. We've got smaller sizes with a 2-inch mast, a 2-inch band on there that actually goes on a robot. So you can take a robot out and remotely control the zipper mast to take a camera up in the air or lights up in the air or whatever you need to take up in the air. So it's all designed to operate very easily and just be a simple product to operate. That's the zipper mast.